This video will be about an overview of the scenario editor. We will see how to create the scenario via the definition of an area on the map. We will see how to edit the road graph of the scenario and select streets based on their type. We will finish with the inclusion of a set of sensors that are present in the platform, like the point of interest in the scenario. So on the map, via the selector, you can instantiate the scenario editor. Via the edit button, you will be able to draw a rectangle or a polygon to define the area of interest. I will use the polygon to select this area, in which automatically will be loaded the road graph, traffic sensors and the traffic sensors. Via this button you will filter the road types. For example, I don't want the footway paths, and I will show you also how to remove some roads, for example this residential one. On the left you will use the delete in this way, go on the road and cancel the road. Next, if I want to include some other sensor, for example some point of interest, via the selector you can load on the map all the point of interest. In this way, when I will save the scenario, only the one inside the map will be saved. Before saving the scenario, it is important to choose a name. For example, this scenario, location, Florence. You can add a description, so scenario overview. Reference KV is for future application. In this way you will you need to fill this maybe with a test string. Here you can choose to save the road graph, the traffic sensors and other sensors. Next, you will need to specify the temporal target of this scenario. For example, today to tomorrow, and you will save then the scenario. Now, if I want to cancel everything, I can click here to cancel, or also on the left here. The view mode is I will also unselect the point of interest. In the view mode you can search for the created scenario, whose name was this scenario, and you can load it. For future application.